welcome to my channel. This is the Kid in the City and I am Jonte. If this is not your first time, welcome back. But if this is your first time, welcome. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all socials at the Kid in the City. We are back with another eyeshadow detail. So these are the smaller videos that I do that are just the eyeshadow for the look, outside of the full glam videos that are a little bit longer. Of course, the full glam for this look, I'm going to tag it right here, but we are getting into the eyeshadow detail for this nice look using the Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 palette. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got to this cute look with the pop of color, the steps and the brushes that I use, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we are playing with the Sephora Editorial 2.0 palette today. I've had this palette for quite some time. One of the things fell out, so I'm hoping it doesn't fall, but these are the colors. They are absolutely insane. There's so much color in this palette, which is one reason why I really like it. I don't use it as often as I probably should because a lot of times I just like go with a quick nude or go with, like, you know what I'm saying? A nude is always gonna, like, I'm gonna gravitate to that. But I want to do a basically like a very simple lid, and I want my under, like the lower lid, to have that pop of color. So that's the look that we're going into today, and yeah, I think it's gonna be super cute. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So yeah, let me just base. So with the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 35N, I am just gonna base my eyelid really quick. And I'm doing this while my concealer is drying down, so it's gonna be super fast. It's not gonna take a lot of time. So we're just gonna blend this out. Okay, so the first shade that I want to go in with, I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to use a flat brush like so. And the first color I'm going to go in with is going to be Cloak. And Cloak is like a nice, it's like a little like off, like a taupe kind of. But we're just going to start with taupe on the base. It's a very light sheer color for Cloak, and that's why I really like it for a base color. And I'm actually just gonna put that all the way, bring it all the way over. There is a little fallout, but it'll be all right. Then with a longer fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. Simple. Like so. And now with a short, firm brush, I'm going to go in with the transition color. So for the transition color, I'm gonna use Talisman, which is almost like a burnt, like a rust almost. But I'm just going to go right here, and it's just going to be a light transition color. Not going to do too much with that because, again, this is just like even this out, but the main thing is like the bottom lid. So like I'm not going to do too much with the transition color at all. And then again with that clean fluffy, I'm just gonna blend that out. Like you can barely tell, which is great. Just like that. That's all I want for the lid, because again, the pop of color is going to be on the bottom lid, so I don't even want this lid to do too much. I want this to be as like almost as blank as possible. So that's perfect. That's perfect. So now, super easy, super quick, I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, so this is the eye. Very, very easy. Again, the real action, the drama is gonna come on that bottom lid. So now that this is done, 2 shades, easy peasy. I think it took me like all of 2 minutes on each eye. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the look, finish the rest of the glam, finish the rest of the face, and then I'll be back with the continued process of the eyeshadow, and we'll do the bottom lid, we'll do all the things, and we'll finish the look. But I'll be back. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead. I have finished the rest of the makeup, and we're gonna finish the look. So we're gonna go in with Charm, which is the light blue kind of shimmer glitter, whatever you want to call it, color, and I'm gonna put that right on the bottom lid. So yeah, let's get into that. I think it's gonna be so cute. Okay. Okay, so Charm is very light, so it's gonna take a minute because Charm is very, very light. But that's okay, because I'm gonna be patient for the look. Okay, we're not gonna rush the look. We're gonna be patient with the look. Very mindful.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Oh my God, this is gonna take 40 days and 40 nights. Like, the color is very sheer, but I'm gonna stick beside it. But I'm trying, baby. I am trying. I'm working for this one. Golly. I still gotta do this on a whole other eye. Lord. There's gotta be an easier way for this. Got to be. That took so long. The color is so light. I have so much of the eyeshadow like literally on my contacts. But we got it done. We got it done. We got it done. So this is with the blue on the bottom lid. I do want to just add a little bit of eyeliner on the, I don't even want to do that. I don't even want to do that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nah, do I? I think I do. Oh, Lordy. Lordy. Golly gee. Because I feel like that'll help that blue pop a little bit more. So let me just go ahead and do that. little puffer. Yo, this is work, bro. I am working for this one, honey. It don't come easy. It don't come easy. All right, let me do this eyeliner. I don't even know. I'm gonna do the eyeliner off camera and then I'm gonna come back and get myself together. Because what the fuck is going on? Okay. There's the liner. That thing was giving me a struggle at the beginning. This has just been a little bit of a struggle today. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna move it. Let me go get my water. I really had to work for this look today, honey. All right, so that's the look. It took a minute, and a part of me still feels like I need to put more on the bottom lid, but then a part of me is like, girl, let's just be glad with what we got. It took us an hour to get it. Let's be glad what we got. Yeah, I'm just, okay, just a little bit. Oh God, just a little bit. Excuse me, just a little bit. I'm gonna at least try. You feel me?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay. It may not look no different, but I feel better with this. Oh my God, I have so much. Contacts just toe up. Oh my gosh.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so so the lip is done. So what I'm gonna do, go do my hair, get myself together, and then I will be back with the final look.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so another eyeshadow look in the detail. We are done. This is the final look for the eye. I think it came out super cute, literally verbatim exactly what I had in my head. Like a super simple soft lid and then the pop of color at the bottom. The color did give me a lot of trouble and it was a lot of work because that is not as pigmented as I would have liked. So it just took so much of the eyeshadow to be applied to just even still get this a little bit of blue that I have, right? So I feel like The Sephora Pro is a good palette, but that maybe if I would have used another one of the shimmer blues, it would have been a little bit better. But Charm, that the blue that I used for the bottom lid, it just wasn't as pigmented as possible as it could. I feel like it could have been, as other brands and other products are. So it just like took forever, so that's never the best thing. But again, we went in with the Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 eyeshadow palette for the look, and that was really the only difficult part. The lid was very simple and very easy. It came out exactly the way I wanted, very soft, very demure, very mindful. Anyway, we're not gonna go down that rabbit hole, but that is it. Another eyeshadow detail in the books. Now, if you do want to see the full glam and all the products and steps I use to get the full makeup look, the full glam, I'm going to tag that right here and you can go to that video. But again, this is just a shorter video specific to the eyeshadow, and this is the final look. And I do thank you for tuning in. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.